How to create a PDF file on PC. In this video, I'll show you how to create a PDF file on your computer using Google Docs. First, open your web browser and go to Google Docs. You can also open Google and select Google Apps, then choose Docs. Once Google Docs is open, click Blank Document to create a new document. Now, you can create your PDF by adding text, images, headings, tables, or any other content you need. To add an image, click Insert, select Image, and choose where you want to upload it from. Once you've finished creating your document, it's time to save it as a PDF. Click File in the top left corner, then select Download. From the list of available formats, choose PDF document. Google Docs will automatically convert your document into a PDF and download it to your computer. You can now open the downloaded file and confirm that it's saved as a PDF. That's it. That's how to create a PDF file using Google Docs. If you found this tutorial helpful, also make sure to click like, share, and subscribe for more Google Docs tips, PDF tutorials, computer guides, and easy tech how-to videos.